Hello guys, welcome back to MBC. Today we are going to make a simple Python program which can be used to calculate the area of any simple shape. So to start we need to select our coding language, in this case which is Python. Then we have to print something which will be prompted to the user in the start of the program. So here I have written welcome to simple area generator. Please you choose the following, but you can modify the text however you want. I have given the user a list of options they can choose from, which can be used in the choice variable again. As you can probably guess from seeing, this program will only calculate the area of some simple shapes like square, triangle, rectangle, circle, etc. So we can just run the program here and see that only the options will be shown and the user doesn't input anything since we haven't put the input command yet. But before putting the input command, we'll define some functions like calculate area circle, calculate area triangle, etc. So first we'll make a function called calculate rectangle area. Then we'll define it by saying define calculate rectangle area length is equal to int, which is a variable type input. Please enter the length of the rectangle. This will be prompted to the user and the user will input the length of the rectangle if they choose to find the area of a rectangle. Then we can make another variable called breadth inside the define calculate rectangle area function. This will again make the user input the breadth of the rectangle. We'll create a variable called area which will actually show the user the area of the rectangle, square, or any shape they want. So the area will be area is equal to length multiplied by breadth, since we have already made length and breadth variables. Now we'll just prompt the user with the print command saying print the area of your rectangle is. Then we will input the area. I have already mentioned how to input certain variables into print commands, so watch my video if you haven't already. Now, for the calculate circle area function, we'll need another constant called pi. For this, we have to import the math module into our script. I have already mentioned how to import modules into our script, so watch that video of mine if you have not already. So, for the calculate circle area function, we'll make the user input the radius of the circle. So, we'll create a variable called int input. Please enter the radius here. This will be prompted to the user to inform them to enter the radius of the circle. So now we'll just write the formula to find the area of a circle. So the formula is radius multiplied by math pi or pi in simple math. And then we'll just print it. Now we'll create another function called calculate area triangle or calculate triangle area. For this we have to make the user input the height and base of the triangle they are trying to calculate the area of. So we will make them both as variables and print the prompt to inform the user to give us the base and height of the triangle they are trying to calculate. Now again we'll just create the variable area to find the area of the triangle the user is trying to calculate. Using the formula used to find the area of a triangle using height and breadth of a triangle. So the formula is half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Then we'll just print it. Next, we'll create another function called calculate square area. This is the simplest of the functions we will create because the calculation of the area of a square is the simplest. It will just be the user inputting the side of or the length of the side of one of the square side, and then we multiplying it by using the area variable. Next, we'll create a variable called choice. I have mentioned multiple times what the choice variable does. So, I will mention it again. Choice is the variable we'll use to make the user make a choice of whether what shape they want to calculate the area of or to leave the program. So after that, we'll create a loop by using the while true command. So after hitting while true, this will create a loop which will make the user either quit the program by typing 5 or just repeating the program and calculating more and more areas of the shapes provided. So for the choices, we'll just write them according to the prompt we gave the user in the first couple of lines. So we have written if choice is equal to 1, calculate rectangle area, which is the function we created. Then elif or else if choice is equal to 2, calculate circle area, another function we created, and so on. And at choice 5, we'll write break, which will break the loop and make the user cut the program. We'll also type the else command to provide the program some type of error protection. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have managed to learn anything from this video. As you can see, the code works just fine. So please make sure to copy it if you want. I will provide the entire script in the description.